Hey guys, my name is Niranjan, professional graphic designer from X Academy. Today we are going to learn about one more new tool. It will call Polygonal Lasso Tool. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the Polygonal Lasso Tool. You can select Polygonal Lasso Tool from here. Click and hold. This is one Polygonal Lasso Tool. With this tool, you can select from point to point with your experience. This tool motivates according to your experience. Okay, go ahead and do the practice. So open some image from your image library. I'm going to open some image. Okay, I'll open this image and this image. And you also open some image and do your practice with me together. Today what I'm going to do, here one beautiful girl, she doing exercise like a yoga, and I have another image, the rose flower. So what I'm going to do, this rose flower, so I'm going to arrange in here just for the lesson. So what I do first, so I'll select my rose flower and select the zoom tool and zoom it a little bit more. Zoom it until you can see it properly. All the small details even you can see properly. Then only you can select everything perfect. You select the object. I'm going to start from here. So I want to select Polygonal Lasso Tool. First this tool and then make sure add to selection. I'm going to start from here. This is you can select point to point like this. When you want to go up, you can bring your mouse point to a little bit upper like that. Then your image will moving to down. I'm going to zoom a little bit more because I want to select the small details. Then only it will become more naturally. Then only you can see it natural image like this. If you are working with the Photoshop, you should familiar with this tool, because when you are working with some project or whatever, you should have a good experience with this tool. To select something, to select some like a wrong area, you can press the backspace key from your keyboard to go one step backward like that. More time consuming, but it according to your practice and speed. Okay, first selection is almost done. Now let's zoom out, and then we have a little more work with this. We have to subtract this area. We don't need this area, and even this is more two places also. To do that, what we gonna do? First we select this one, add to selection. Now we are going to subtract from the selections. We want to subtract some parts from the image. To do that, we will select subtract from the image. This one. Select the subtract and then zoom it bit more till you can see properly all the details. Then select this area like that. Whatever your image, also now you know how to subtract from your selections, how to do that. Then whatever image, it doesn't matter, procedure is same. Okay, we have to subtract that part. Now we are going to here and we want to subtract this small two part also. Now I think almost done, everything's okay. In my image, I don't know, but about your image, if you have more selections to select, you do it. If your selection is good, your final results will be good too. When you meet your starting point, you can see the small circle when you finish the selections, like what I did. Okay, now what we going to do, we want to see our selection how it is, how's the work. To do that, we will go to the refine edge. This one, yeah, this is the refine edge. Now we can see how's our selections. This lines not smooth. See, that's not smooth. In here you can see, you can select which background do you want, then you can see your image. So example like this, you can select the white background. Now you can see your image like that. But in the white background, you cannot see properly your selection and your image. The best way, select the black background like this. Now you can see properly your selection how it is. Okay, now what we going to do, we want little bit make smoother. For to do that, increase little bit smooth with the image. Now we can see, and do the feather also a little bit more. Okay, then reduce the radius if you want. If image is good, if your selection is good, you don't need to do that. For me, I want to make it smoother. Now almost okay for me. And now what you have to do, in the output, you have to select new layer like this. Now hit the OK button. See what happened now. What kind of output? Oh, this is your selection. See, it's very nice now. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, this is my selections, and what I do now, this is my girl image, and I put somewhere else like this, and select the move tool from here, then drag and drop this image into your destination, this image. Okay, like that. And you can minimize this or you can close it, whatever you want to do it. Okay, and then now you want to make a small this flower. For to do that, press your shift key and do like this, and release the mouse point, then release the shift key, still weak, like that. This is like an example, practical, whatever inside your mind you can do. Why I select this kind of things? Because I want to show you everything inside this Polygonal Lasso tools. And then if you want, you can save this image as a whatever you want to save, whatever purpose you are going to use, you can save PNG or PSD, whatever you want to select, JPG, JPEG, whatever you can. That is the lesson today. Go ahead and do more practice. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like, share my videos with your others. Okay, thank you. Go ahead and do the practice.